Today we're evaluating Bluevua's reverse osmosis countertop system. This system is actually really interesting. It's got 4 stages here in the back and 4 different levels for filling the carafe here with RO water. You can either go 0.5 liters, 1 liter, or 1.5 liters is actually when it's full at that 1700 ml max level. If you look on this side, there's a tank here, and to get the 1.5 liters full, you basically fill the tank up to the max level here and then let the system run and fill the carafe there. It comes with cleaning tools for the pot and for the inside of the RO system. You even get this cool little water bottle. I mean, setup is really straightforward. So there's literally, you plug it in and there's 2 buttons here. This button is for your volume level. And then you basically pick 0.5 liters, 1 liter or 1.5 liters here. And the interface here shows you what you're making. Push this to start the system, to start making RO water. To clean the system, you have to run 4 to 6 cycles on this, which basically means filling the tank to max and then letting the system run through 4 to 6 times, and it's gonna actually clean out the filters. So you're probably wondering, where are the filters? If you look on this side, I was really impressed with this. You know, for space-saving size, it really packs a punch on a really good RO quality water, even with the size. It's no longer than about 13, 14 inches long and maybe about 8 inches wide. And you can see here we have a polypropylene filter, coconut carbon block filter, reverse osmosis membrane, and a post-carbon filter for taste. These are really cool because changing them out is actually relatively straightforward. They all need to be switched out within 1 to 2 years. And it actually has how often to change them out here. So you can see on the RO membrane filter, that's every 2 years. The PCF filter is every year. The CTO filter is every year, and the polypropylene filter is every year. To change out a filter, you simply place your finger down here, pull it forward, turn it, and it comes out. There's even a code on there. You can scan that with your phone and find out where to buy the filters from. The back of it actually goes on really seamlessly. You just line it up like this and then push down, and that's it. Anyways, like I said, it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's worth the amount of money. I think it's $369 or something like that on Amazon, but I'm just impressed once again with the quality of this system. Like I said, the work that you have to do when you first get this is you got to fill this carafe up to the max line and basically flush out those filters, because there's a protective coating in those filters you need to flush out. So you'll get, after 4 to 6 times of filling it to max and then running it through the system, the first 2 times it's going to fill the filters. You may not get any water in the carafe, but after that it will start to fill this, and you will see black sediment in here from the coconut carbon block filters and stuff. But after 4 to 6 runs with it, 6 full pots, you should have super clean reverse osmosis water that's under, 30, 50 parts per million on the total dissolved solid scale, and get rid of, you'll never have to buy bottled water again. And it's really easy. It just goes in like that, put the top on, and you're basically good to go. So give it a try. If you don't want a tank RO system or have to do any sort of complicated plumbing, then definitely give the Bluevua reverse osmosis countertop RO system a try. I think you'll really enjoy it.